Hello friends, welcome back in my today's video. Technology is basically for some different purpose, but I think most of the people are killing their present moment because of such technologies. I'm not going to blame the technology, rather I'm going to blame the habits which we are cultivating. Many times I've observed even my kids also continuously watching the mobiles. Even when we are traveling in the car also, they are just busy on watching the screen. One day I asked my daughter, do you know that this building is there and where we are? And she just saw out of the window and asked me, no, I have never seen this building earlier. And that building was there since last so many years. So what I mean to say is that whenever the people are actually need to enjoy the present moment, need to enjoy the surroundings, observe the environment and everything, they are just busy in the screen. Same thing. Recently my son has moved to some university in hostel, and there he was trying to make the friends. It seems that many students are very much, so much engrossed in those smartphones that they have no time to make the real friends. They are very much engaged into that social media platforms, and I think that is their real life now. Imaginary life, but becoming the real life. So we hold the smartphones more than we hold the real conversations. Actually, this is a big problem. Now, for example, if we are going to any event also, immediately we will start taking our mobile and recording the things. Just observe that you are observing that event, whatever it is, without the mobile, how you will feel, and once you will take the mobile for the recording purpose, your objective will change. It is not for a memory, rather you want to record it to share with someone else, right? So many things are there that why we are killing our present enjoyment. As we continue to distract ourselves from the present moment, we become more anxious, fearful and stressed. Worry is overwhelmed in our everyday lives because we are now conditioned to live elsewhere rather than right here. I mean, what I'm saying elsewhere means through the mobiles, through this technology, we are going in someone other's life. We are enjoying what other people are doing rather than what we are doing. We relive the moment of past, fear the future, and create the obstacles in our mind. So ultimately, with this technology, many things are going in the right direction. Why I'm using the word technologies? Because of this, we are cultivating some other habits. Technology has no problem, but main thing again I am repeating that how we can take the better use of it. Now, just you remember the past. I can talk about my past. Okay, when such type of mobiles were not there, and we were totally enjoy every moment with our friends, relatives, whatever we are doing. Okay, but at that time we need not to saw the watch what exactly the time is there. Just enjoying every moment. So now you were engrossed in the moment that you had no time to worry about the past or the future. So what is that? You are just waking up in the morning, sleeping in night. This you are doing 365 days in a year, and finally we wait for success, love, happiness to show up, never really aware of what we have in the present moment. Actually, from the past, whatever has been done, it is good to recollect the memories, because something we are living with the memories, and out of that we can really learn lot many things, and which becomes our experience. But main point is that whatever the past was, it has already been gone. What the future, we don't know. We are living in the present. So why we are killing that present with the technologies? Technologies is a tool, not a substitute for living. Please understand. Use this technology for certain limit, but because of that, if your present is getting impacted, please think twice, because that will impact your positive lifestyle also. So if you want to maintain your positive lifestyle in a proper manner, I would suggest that when you want to enjoy your current and present moment, that is the best way. And that the best way is that at present in the current phenomenon, you please keep aside the technology, especially the smartphones and the social media. I hope you liked my today's video. Please continuously watching this video for further more ideas and more knowledge on the positive lifestyle. I will come back to you. Till then, thank you and